So there have been a lot of things that have been impacting the price of SHIB and other assets in the broader crypto market. If you guys haven't paid attention, that's my wife calling me. If you guys haven't paid attention to, what some of these big things are, they're macro factors, interest rates, war. And one that I think is more important than really everything has been inflation. Now, inflation ran rampant throughout 2022. It was a serious problem. We saw, the heights of 8%, just insane numbers. Well, the good news is we just got back the CPI report for the month of July, and we are in fact back on track. So what we've now seen is the rolling 12-month period. We have actually ended up at 3.2% inflation. If you guys aren't familiar, the Fed's goal is to get to this 2% number. 2% is where they think everything is sustainable. So we've been trying to work our way down there. Well, the reason I say we're back on track is if you look at the last 3 months and you add those up, we've actually increased 0.5 percentage point. Carry that out over 4 quarters. What do you have? 2%. So we are back within that threshold that the Fed wants to be at. Now, does this mean that this is the end of interest rate hikes? Does it mean that we're finally there? No. Okay, we still have a little ways to go. Now, the good news is that we don't have another FOMC meeting this month. We don't have one actually until late September, which is great news. Now, we can essentially digest this news in the market. We can digest the fact that the jobs market is cooling. The GDP is still strong. The inflation is going down, right? Or not going down, rather, it's flattening, okay? These are all great things. These are the things that we need to see for the overall crypto market to, in fact, improve and to allow for that easier price appreciation. Now, if you guys haven't looked at the charts today, overall, the crypto market is pretty much flat. Not a whole lot happening, but yet Shiba Inu continues to run. In fact, it actually broke past 4010 earlier today. We came back down, little retest again. Like I said, we were going to go through some volatility, but there's a singular group of assets that has been running right now: SHIB, Bone, and Leash. Go figure. Because guess what, guys? We're only 5 days away, 6 days away from this launch of shibarium. Again, the biggest day in Shiba Inu's history. So it kind of makes sense that we're going on a run right now. Now, I do want to say this. I don't want this run before the launch to get too out of control. And the reason I say that is if we get too crazy before the launch and then the launch happens, it could essentially turn into a sell the news event, right? There's always that possibility that lies there. But if we can continue stacking, 2, 3, 4% days leading up to this launch, I think we have the possibility for some good price appreciation when that launch does officially occur. Now, the great news is I have not heard anything about delays. It seems like everything is going according to plan. It looks like, a lot of the dev team has been a little quiet, but I know Shaitoshi made that post about Shiba Inu and Shibarium being bigger than X, being bigger than Twitter. And I mean, realistically, it could be. You never know, right? That's how big of a global movement Shiba Inu could end up creating. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. I think it's important if you don't pay attention to these CPI numbers, these jobs reports, all these things, they play a very big deal right now. They really don't matter a whole lot in like the bull market cycle when assets are just running crazy. But right now they do. Right now they're going to impact everything. And the great news is it looks like Shiba Inu is decoupling a little bit. So we'll see obviously if that continues, but I appreciate you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Show your support below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.